Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Carolyn and I'm your host. Today we are going to be going over some Target couponing math, so let's get to the board and make sure you subscribe as well. Okay, so the first one here, we're going to be getting 2 Tide. And we're going to say they are $9.99 each. If we buy 2, we receive a $5 gift card, and we have two $2 off 1 coupons. So first thing we're gonna do is we have to find out how much we're starting. $9.99 times 2. That's $19.98. Next step in this situation would to be just to take off the coupons. $19.98 minus $4, $15.98, and that's the amount to cashier. So that's how much you would give the cashier. And because there's this deal going on, the buy 2 receive the $5 gift card, you're going to be getting a $5 gift card back. If you tried to return these items, they're not going to expect you to give back the gift card, so they would give you a refund less the applicable portion of the gift card. Since there's just 2 items and it's $5, in this case it'd be $2.50 off each one, but we're just going to factor it down anyway. $10.98, and we want to find out how much just 2 are. So that would be $5.49 each in this situation. But then you have your different tiers when you can add different discounts in. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see how adding the different discounts is going to change the final number. So we're going to add a 10% Circle offer. If you're unfamiliar with Circle, it used to be Cartwheel, now it's called Circle, and it's just a discount off different items. Check out my Target video if you want more information on it. So first things first, we have to find out how much we're starting with. $9.99 times 2. This bit looks familiar, but this is where it changes here. Because we have a Circle offer with a gift card offer, we have to do some temporary math. So $19.98, and we have to take off the $5 gift card before we can find out what our discount for this is going to be. So we get $14.98. Now, when you figure out discounts, I like to find out how much I'm spending, not how much I'm saving, because if I find out how much I'm saving, I'm just going to have to subtract it from this number and I'll get how much I'm spending anyway. Let's just skip that step and find out how much we're spending. So if we're saving 10%, we're going to be spending 90%. It's always going to be the opposite of the discount to make 100. So times 0.90 in this situation, 10%, 90%, we're spending 90%. That's going to be $13.48. Now we add that gift card back in because we figured out what our discount is. So $13.48, adding that $5 gift card back in, we have $18.48. Now we take off the coupons. So we have $18.48 minus $4, $14.48. But then we're not quite done yet. This is the amount to cashier. Now we need to factor in the gift card we're getting back. So that's $14.48 minus the $5 gift card that the cashier is going to give us because it's a buy two, receive a $5 gift card. So that's going to be $9.48 for the two. And for one, it's going to be $4.70 for a bottle. So adding in that 10% right there, you can see that it saved about another 70 cents or so. Now we're going to add in another layer here, and this is going to be a Ibotta offer. And we're going to say that there is a $4 back when you when you buy two. So that means if you buy two, you're going to get an additional $4 back into your Ibotta account. If you're unfamiliar with Ibotta, it is a third-party cashback site. You upload your receipt, and there's different offers, and they vary all the time. So in this scenario, we're saying that this is what the case is. So it doesn't really change too much of our math, except for this part right here. $9.48, because this is where we factored in getting back the gift card. But now we're going to be getting back an additional $4 from Ibotta as well. So $9.48 minus $4 is $5.48 divided by 2. It would be $2.74 each. So you can see adding the different tiers really changes the price. But now I want to show you what a Target Red Card will do. Now a Target Red Card, if you're not familiar with it, it's two options. You have a credit card and you have a debit card. The credit card has the typical credit offers and terms. It's a credit card. The debit card is just a red piece of plastic that's connected to your bank account. And you save 5% off of everything you buy. So the point that that's going to change is going to be this bit here. You have the $14.48 after coupons, but then we get to save an additional 5%. So we have $14.48, and you're going to times that by 0.95, because like I said earlier, we want to find out how much we're spending, not how much we're saving. If we're going to be saving 5%, we're going to be spending 95%. So this number comes out to $13.76. And this is our amount to cashier. And then we do the steps just like the prior examples here. So we have the $13.76, and we're going to get back a $5 gift card because we bought two, and that brings us down to $8.76. But then we also have an Ibotta offer, so that is $8.76 minus $4 back, $4.76, and we get to divide that by 2 because we're buying two. So that would be $2.38 each, and we started at the $9.99. So as you can see, by adding in the different tiers, it really changes the price. and the math here, it's very confusing, and they do constantly change it, how they process the circle offers. It didn't used to have to be this temporary stuff. It used to be straight off the price, but then they changed it. So you'll notice from time to time that it might change on you. So make sure you subscribe so when those do change, you know the proper way to math again. But if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Make sure you like this video and share it with your friends, because that's what I want to do. I want to help everyone save for their dreams one coupon at a time, and learning how to do this, that's going to get you there. Alright, well thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye!